Hey, welcome. So today, we're going to talk about something that drives so many people crazy. It's this financial puzzle where you're earning what feels like a really great salary, but you still feel totally broke. Yeah, we're diving deep into what's called the $120,000 salary trap.
I mean, it's one of the most frustrating feelings in the world, right? You work hard, you get that raise, you finally cross that six-figure line, and you think, okay, I've made it. But then you look at your bank account at the end of the month, and you're just wondering, where on earth did all that money go? Well, this right here is all about answering that exact question.
And the number we're really going to focus on is around $120,000 a year. Now look, it's not some magic number, but it's a really important threshold. It's that kind of weird spot where you start getting hit with all the financial pressures of the upper middle class, but you might not have the financial habits to actually deal with it yet.
And this leads us to a term you might have heard. It's called being middle-class poor. And it just perfectly describes this trap. It's not about being actually poor, obviously. It's about this constant state of high financial anxiety, even though you have a high income. Your earnings look great on paper, but they're being eaten away by forces you might not even see coming.
So how do you know if this is you? Well, we've broken it all down into 5 really clear warning signs. Think of this as, a quick checkup for your own financial health. All right, let's get into it. First up, and honestly, this is the big one. Your net worth is just stuck. It's not moving. Your paycheck is getting bigger, maybe year after year, but your actual wealth, what you own minus what you owe, isn't growing at all. This is the #1 symptom that you're in the trap.
And this chart just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? You see your income line, and it's trending up, which looks amazing. But then you look over at your net worth, that's your savings, your investments, minus your debts, and it's just a flat line. The money is flowing through you, not to you.
So where is all that money going? Well, that brings us right to sign number 2, and it's the usual suspect, lifestyle inflation. It's just human nature, You get a raise and you feel like you've earned a bit of an upgrade. But the problem is, all those little upgrades start to add up until they've completely eaten your entire pay bump before you even had a chance to notice.
And what's really fascinating here is how specific these little raise eaters are for people in this income bracket. We're not talking about private jets here. We're talking about the subtle, totally justifiable upgrades. It's that nicer car lease. It's moving to a bigger apartment in a slightly better neighborhood. It's going out to eat a little more often at nicer places. It's those expensive groceries or the pricey vacation you tell yourself you deserve. Each one feels small on its own, but put them all together and poof, there goes your raise.
Which brings us to our third sign, and it builds right on that last idea. See, it's not just about the money you choose to spend. It's also about the hidden costs that start choosing you. These are the financial ambushes. This is what we call the high earner cost creep. First off, taxes. At an income around $120K, you're often bumped into a higher marginal tax bracket. Now, that doesn't mean all your money is taxed more. It just means that every new dollar you earn gets hit with a higher tax rate. It's a huge bite. At the same time, some of the tax deductions you used to get might start to disappear. If you've got kids, childcare can be outrageously expensive. And if you have student loans, your income-based payments can suddenly jump, taking a much bigger chunk of your check. Your gross pay looks awesome, but your take-home pay can feel like a real letdown. And that feeling of being squeezed leads right into this crucial mistake, our fourth sign. When you feel like you don't have enough money, you stop using the very best tools designed to fight back: tax-advantaged accounts. And let me tell you, this is a massive, unforced error. Okay, you have to think of these accounts as your financial superpowers. Seriously. Your 401k lets you save for retirement with pre-tax money, which lowers your taxable income right now. So many people at this income level don't even contribute enough to get their full employer match. That is literally saying no thank you to free money. Then there's the Roth IRA. People think they earn too much for one, but they don't know about backdoor methods that let you contribute anyway. And the HSA. The health savings account is the ultimate secret weapon. It's triple tax advantaged. Money goes in tax-free, it grows tax-free, and it comes out tax-free for medical stuff. But most people just use it like a debit card instead of the powerful investment tool it's meant to be. And finally, we get to sign number 5. This is the cold, hard math that proves everything else is going wrong. In this totally bizarre twist, you realize you're actually saving a smaller percentage of your income now than you were back when you earned less money. And this chart just shows the paradox perfectly. Maybe when you were making 80 grand, you were super disciplined, saving a solid 15%. But now, at 120 grand, after all the lifestyle inflation and the hidden costs have taken their share, you're only managing to put away 10%. Think about that. You're earning 50% more money, but your actual progress toward financial freedom has slowed down. It's wild.
All right, so let's just run through them one more time. The 5 signs of the trap. Number 1, your income is up, but your net worth is flat. 2, lifestyle inflation is eating every single raise. 3, hidden costs and higher taxes are ambushing you. 4, you're ignoring your financial superpowers, those tax-advantaged accounts. And 5, the final proof, your savings rate is actually going down.
If you only take one thing away from all of this, please let it be this. A high salary is an opportunity, it's not the finish line. Your long-term financial future has almost nothing to do with the number at the top of your paycheck and everything to do with the percentage of it that you actually manage to keep, to save, and to invest.
So, just recognizing this trap, that's the first and biggest step. The real question now is for you. What are you going to do about it? What's one change you can make, starting today, to begin building your own escape plan and start turning that high income into real, lasting